Imagine what happens when two cars collide on the road. Although an unfortunate event, the two collided cars do not pose any danger to all the other cars in the world. The same cannot be said for two satellites. Two satellites colliding can lead to a catastrophic chain of events that can not only bring down the trillion-dollar space economy, but make space unusable for future generations. What you see on your screen are all satellites and space debris that is regularly tracked by the 18th Space Defense Squadron and is publicly available via spacetrack.org. Tracked debris makes up just a fraction of probably millions of pieces of space junk out there, which are not actively tracked. Similarly, space operators have access to very precise information about the location of their satellites, but it is never publicly disclosed. In effect, making space coordination a very difficult task. Space debris poses a serious threat to all present and future assets in space. It is very important to gather as much tracking information about debris as well as satellites so that collisions can be accurately predicted with enough time in advance to allow both parties to carry out the necessary actions. To enable an immutable record of tracking as well as collision information about space assets and debris, we have repurposed a Bitcoin-based miner, normally used to process digital payments over a blockchain, to mine for collision events between satellites as well as with space debris. This information is stored on an immutable ledger so that it can be independently verified in a trustless manner. Any government or private entity will be able to contribute to this blockchain to enable better tracking of space assets and debris with ensured privacy using sophisticated encryption techniques such as homomorphic encryption and multi-party calculation. What you see on the screen are satellites in blue and debris in gray. The miner is computing probable collision events, which are shown in red whenever they happen. Join us in making space safer for everyone, one block at a time.